Welcome to my channel, Canine Crooner Finn Austin.
Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and we're going to take a look at some more PBC International items. And this is Chopper the Biker Dog. Chopper the Biker Dog is made by PBC International in 2005. He wears a black vest with silver buttons and a red bandana. He rocks his head back and forth and moves his mouth while singing Born to be Wild. The first version of him has sunglasses. Then another version of him was made with him wearing goggles. Theodore the Tiger. Ooh, he's really cute. It looks like a singing tiger. Theodore the Tiger is made by PBC International. He gives the life-like appearance of a real tiger, complete with orange fur coat with black stripes, white outer lips, pink nose, and whiskers. He sings "The Tiger Sleeps Tonight," a parody of the hit song "The Lion Sleeps Tonight." Yep, so this is Theodore the Tiger. Ellie the Elephant. And he looks like this one. Ellie the Elephant was made by PBC International in 2005. She gives the lifelike appearance of the real elephant with gray fur, white tusks, and a long trunk. She wears a silver ribbon around her neck. She sings "The Elephant Sleeps Tonight," a parody of the song "The Lion Sleeps Tonight." It's really cute. Mr. and Mrs. Claus duet. And it looks like these two singing Christmas cats. The Mr. and Mrs. Claus duet was made by PBC International in 2007. They're both white cats wearing red Santa Claus hats. Mrs. Claus wearing a red fur trim jacket, and Mr. Claus wears a red scarf. They both sway their heads and move their mouths as they sing "Baby It's Cold Outside" together and separately. They're both really cute. Singing Jumping Witch. And he looks like this. The Singing Jumping Witch was made by PBC International in 2007. She wears a purple dress and a black hat. And black hat with white polka dots and purple stripe. Black boots, and holds a broom in her hands. She moves her head and mouth and jumps up and down while singing "Girls Just Want to Have Fun," a Halloween parody of "Girls Just Want to Have Fun." Candy Bear. And it's a singing Halloween bear that dressed as a cat. The Candy Bear is made by PBC International in Chantilly Lane. She wears a black cat costume and wears a headband with black cat ears. She sways her head and moves her mouth while singing "I Want Candy." She's really cute. Jasmine the bear. Jasmine Singing Bear. The Jasmine Singing Bear was made by PBC International from 2003 and 2006. She's a white chenille bear dressed in a violet hat with a bow tie on it and a scarf with a purple rose on it around her neck. She sways her head and moves her mouth while singing the classic Beatles song, I Will, in a female voice. Love Letters Bear, and he looks like this. The Love Letters Bear is made by PBC International. He wears a dark blue hat, pants, and bow, and holds a mailbag that reads Love Letters on it. So it looks like he's dressed as a postman. He moves his mouth as he sings All My Lovin'. He was made from 2004 and 2005. Louie the Singing Frog. And it looks like these two frogs. There's two Louie the Frogs, and there's a Christmas one. Louie is a singing frog made by PBC International in 2004. He sings What a Wonderful World and moves his head and mouth. He comes in two versions, one wearing a bow tie and another wearing a necktie. He also has a straw hat. There is also a Christmas version of this item that sings Jingle Bell Rock, made from 2004 and 2007. Love Me Tender Bear, and he looks like this, and it's really vintage. Wait, I'm not going to say tendy. The Love Me Tender Bear, it was made by PBC International from 2000 and 2003. He's a small plush white bear that wears a pink ribbon on his chest that reads Love Me Tender on it. His mouth moves as he sings Love Me Tender. He's really cute, but he's also vintage. Just a little bit vintage. Next one, the owl. And he looks like a graduation owl. Next one, the owl was made by PBC International from 2004. To the present. He wears a graduation cap and brown glasses. He flaps his wings while hooting along to Pomp and the Christmas. Singing Cowgirl, and he looks like a singing cowgirl. The Singing Cowgirl was made by PBC International from 2001 and 2004. She has a dark red hat with little hearts on it, a cow design jacket on, a white shirt, a belt, and a light brown skirt. Her head sways and mouth moves as she says, I am in trouble now." Then sings "Hey, Good Lookin'." Jake and Elwood Snowman, and he looks like these two singing snowmen. The Jake and Elwood Snowman were made by PBC International from 2006 and 2008. There are twin snowmen with glasses and hat on each, one holding a shovel for a guitar. Elwood and Jake is holding a microphone. Each one sways his head and moves his mouth as the snowman sings, "I'm a snowman," a winter parody of the song "I'm a Soul Man." Craig Bear. Yep, and it's a singing bear that holds a hat. The Craig Bear is made by PBC International. He wears a blue striped sport coat and holds a straw hat. in his hands. He swings his hips and sways his arms left and right while singing From Me to You. He was made in 2005. Golden Trio. And it has these two singing Christmas dogs. And I already had those. The Golden Trio was made by, the Golden Trio looks like these three singing Christmas dogs. The Golden Trio was made by PBC International from 2006 and 2009. It features a big dog in the middle wearing a big black hat and a scarf, and two little dogs on both sides, right one wearing earmuffs and the left wearing a Santa Claus hat. Together they move their mouths as they bark and sing Hark the Herald Angels Sing. Dottie the Terrier. Oh, and he looks like this. And it looks like a Scottish Terrier. That one's one of my favorite PBC International singing dogs, too. So I already have that one, but it's for, like, concert or something, or for doctors sometime. So this is one of my favorite singing dogs because it looks like a Scottish Terrier. Dottie the Terrier is made by PBC International from 2004 and 2006. He's a black terrier dog wearing a rainbow organza bow on her head. She sways side to side and moves her mouth as she sings Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Noel Angel Bear, and he looks like a singing angel bear. Noel is a singing bear made by PBC International from 2008 and 2009. She wears a gold dress and also has a halo and angel wings which flap as she sings a holy night. When she sings, her head and mouth also move. Elfie the Alligator, and he looks like a Christmas alligator. Alfie the Alligator was made by PBC International from 2007 and 2008. He's an alligator that wears a top hat and holds a candy cane that lights up when activated. He sways back and forth and side to side as he sings Jingle Bell Rock. His mouth moves to the words of the song. Romeo Raccoon. Ooh, that raccoon is wearing heart-shaped glasses. Romeo the Raccoon was made by PBC International from 2011 and 2015. He wears red heart-shaped glasses and bow tie and hat. Red hearts on his feet. His eyes roll around as he moves his head and mouth while singing I Only Have Eyes on You. I Only Have Eyes for You.